Alright, so the very first thing I am doing is I am cutting the upper half of the sides and back with my fingers and scissors. Once I've completed this, then I will take out the clippers and work my way around the hair, blending the lower half of the sides and back to the section that I'm currently cutting right now, which I said before was the upper half of the sides and back. Once we've completed the sides and back entirely, then we will go ahead and address the top. Alright, so now that I've completed cutting the upper half of the sides and back, you can see I've got my clippers in my hand. This is the second shortest I can go with the guard. It's not the shortest, but it's the second shortest. And what I'm doing is I'm cutting the lower half of the sides and back, and I'm just basically working my way up the head. And as I get to that section that I already cut with my fingers, I'm scooping out just to blend in the lower half up with the upper half of the sides and back. Alright, so now you can see I've got my trimmers in my hand, I've got the clippers put away, and I'm basically going to work my way all around the outline, all around the ears, sideburns, neck, just cleaning up that outline nice and tight. Alright, so now that I've got the trimmers all wrapped up, I've got the clippers back in my hand, but you can see I've taken the guard off. And what I'm doing is I'm just going through and softening up the line that the trimmers just made. The clippers can take the hair pretty tight, but the trimmers take it even tighter. So what I like to do is I like to take the clippers and just soften and flick out that line, kind of fade out that line that the trimmers made. So you can see right here, I'm just going through and kind of erasing out the line that the trimmers made, and then just blending it into the haircut. Alright, as you can see, the clippers pretty much erased the outline that we've cut into the hairline using the clippers. The clippers, again, were designed to, I used them to really clean up the hairline in this haircut. Clean up the neck, clean up the sideburns, clean up around the ear, but then again, once they create that hard line in certain places, I wanted to just go through with the clippers and erase that hard line. As you can see, I'm taking a center section at the top of the head, which is now my guide for the rest of the top, and then I'm going opposite of that section and basically using that section as my guide to know how short to cut the rest of the top, and I'm just going to go through and layer all of the top. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, please put them down in that comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can see there's no hard lines in the outline anymore. The trimmers really sharpened up the outline, but then the clippers erased that outline. Alright, thanks so much for watching.